Hey guys, what's up? It's Alan and I'm back with another video. And after a long time, after looking around and searching for months, for what has only been months, shout out to the guys at Indian Necessities. I finally got my hands on the Yeezy 700 V2 static pair. Like I told you in my earlier video where I did the 350 static, you can see the pair right there. When I did that video, I mentioned that both of these dropped around Christmas when I was home with my family and I missed the drop. And ever since December 26, 27, I guess, I've been looking all over. My friends went to America, I've been looking in Europe for a good price and nobody was able to score me a pair. Till the guys from Indian Necessities came through. And now I want to pop the box open, actually slide the box open and take a closer look at the sneaker. In the meanwhile, if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button, guys. And if you're into sneakers and all of that stuff, give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, but I'm out. So the sneaker came with the receipts and all of that, the original receipts of purchase. Shut this box, wood back here. Squeaky chair, I know. So there you have it, the Yeezy 700 V2 static. I mean, this is a beautiful pair. It's a freaking beautiful pair, and the reflective details on these is off the hook. Like, I personally was waiting for the Vanta to drop. After the static, there was the geode and then the Vanta, and now there's a Tephra that also dropped. And I was really looking forward to the Vanta, but they changed over the materials completely on the Vanta so much that it began to look like a mauve. This one, for instance, has a lot of like this toe area, I think is nubuck, with this grey bits here and here. The rest of it looks like proper soft tumble leather. The quality of the leather is really nice too. And best thing is that they've thrown in prime knit, a circular knit or whatever. It feels super comfortable. I'll try on a couple of pairs, which is why I know. The standard Yeezy. Actually, I have my Wave Runner on feet, so let's do a side-by-side comparison. This one is a UK 8, this is a 8.5, which is why you'll see that I've pulled out the insole on this one, and this one still has its insole. Oh, by the way, the static V2s came with Ortholite insoles, which takes the comfort to another level. There you have it. And of course you have your boost cutouts, like on the Ultra Boost or on the NMD or whatever. This one didn't have boost cutouts, it just had like a lining, one small hole there. The tongue is all free on the Wave Runner. It's just stitched right here, this joint, so the entire tongue moves around. On the Mauve, I've done a comparison video. I showed you how they had bands, elastic bands on the side that would keep the tongues in place. The tongue on the V2, for some reason, is stitched to these corners here, so it doesn't really move. It's only got this much of move, but the rest of it is just stitched all through. Only time will tell if that's a good thing or a bad. Now, side by side, you'd think they're the same, but there have been changes made to the entire form of the shoe. Like, you see the Wave Runner is more rounded and the static is more sharp, right? And also side by side, oops, look at the silhouette differences, especially around the heel area, right? You have this V-shaped heel here, and that's like a rounded heel. I'm talking about this area here, it's like a V or a U, and this is like an inverted U, and even the back itself is so different. So there are visible silhouette changes, of course, between both these shoes, and the reflective details on this just pops. Another reason why I skipped out on the Vanta is because you have all through reflectives here. On the Vanta, it's just the topmost stripe, and I hit this with a flash, and I'll put a picture right up there. I hope I remember to do that. And it's insane. So that's about it. I went up half a size on the V2s, which is ideally what you should do. On the Wave Runners, I went true to size, which is why I wear them without the insole. So these perforations right here have reflective hits on the inside, carries over. This one on the V2 over here and here. In addition, you have this band, this triangle that also reflects. And you see how the midsole is more or less the same. It's just that the painting's missing on this one. Way up here, you have reflective details here, and this bit here too. Whereas on the Wave Runner, it's just the lace lock. See how the silhouette as well is so different, although it's similar. The lines on the V2 are a lot more sharper, and they narrow down here towards the midfoot, whereas it stays broad on the Wave Runner. And of course, reflective laces. And of course, the static as well comes with full length boost. You have your boost cutouts to show you that. But like this orange detailing over here, I just wish they'd put in like a grey reflective detailing over here on the drips. Otherwise, man, no complaints. I freaking love the V2 static. Glad I could get them on hand. And with this, I complete my static collection. Dead stock, by the way, tags intact. Likewise, so maybe I'll just break these out. I mean, yeah, of course, not. If you're not dead stock, I wore it for my video. This one's dead stock still. I'll wear it now. It's still got its tags. Man, what a beautiful pair. Another thing was that I was hoping there'd be a salt version of this coming out, so I picked it up. But I've seen initial mock-ups of the salt, and although it looks similar to the static, the outsole is gum, and that's not something I'm crazy about. I mean, if it gets black, I probably have just waited for the salt. But no regrets either way. Even if the salt comes out with a black sole, happy I got these. It's been layered with protections. Man, I just love these sneakers. I think my pack is complete. I'm happy. Couldn't be happier. Wait, there's no Yeezy branding. The Wave Runner had like a bit of Yeezy branding right there. On the inside, right here. I don't know if this one's got it. If it does, I can't find it. If you guys know where I should look, drop a comment. I'm going to slip these on feet to show you what they look like in the meanwhile. I'll see you in the next one, you guys. Peace.